goika moja na kurosugusu goika irianye amoneze engima ano ga okonyora
amangana amaye ayabene kurwa abagusi Global Radio engata ya mwanyagetingerega amato tukumanye
Mwanchwa umurigireria we TV ya AGR ndenge ngambuyole andonsi asole nigo chabere chinsa chokubaretera mangana maya asenchire bwikiranu buna atekire aiga SMS ito yobororia imene isiko yorogongo rogusi asenchire bwikiranu kunene litangani tonyole mangana yo asenchira yobwenge omogiro wabanyagitari ase county ya Nyamira nigo gendere tusuri otebire na obokoreri bwechi county na boborachi gosieko gochakira litukulia Alhamisi Tanzania wanchira chindege chense ya Kenya kuiruka asirioba riense ya Tanzania. Mangana yo asenchira yobwikiranu amalitane Dennis Zadok. Omugiro wabanyagitari ase county ya Nyamira nigo ogenderete eka gukwana na balike mangana litukulia lero omuliki wikiombe kyabanyagitari KMPDU rusagia rwa Anyanza oyo kurukunga Kevin Osuri ni gatuterare mangana kwaletwe no boteneri we county nga omugiro wabanyagitari ni gwikiro moelyo mahega yo kubikirania amagani abo nigo Kevin Osuri atebirenga amaganyo y'abanyagitari ari batageire woikiraniwa tarekiranirwa gwikabona na kwatebanga omugiro uyu ni guragendere ase county ya Nyamira.
Today is the second day since we began our paralyzing strike, total paralyzing strike in Nyamira County because of the inadequacies of the employer. Because of the rogueness of the employer that is Nyamira County government. We are saddened that up to this moment we have had to withdraw labor. All doctors in public hospitals in Nyamira County are not working. They have kept off their places of work and they will continue to do so until the employer that is Nyamira County government mans up and gets up and does what they should do. It is sad that Nyamira County which ought to have placed doctors in the correct job groups, should have employed doctors in the correct job groups and paid them their arrears in terms of promotions that should have been earned, has not done so.
Magega yechi county kuralianga guchakira litukulia Alhamisi chitariki 15 mutinyo yoiga ni gobokoreri wechi county burachigosie kwa onye serikali nanete gutuma chibesa gochiase echi county ili guchitumeka gukora magendero ne miradi ede bono muwaziri bwe chibesa aiga Kenya Ukur Yatani otabirenga richiko ni goli musibeta magokaye na njirate yo aratume chibesa gochiase echi county onye ebunge ye seneti teko anjira wose teko igolera chibesa kurwase serikali nene gochiase chi county.
1 month ago I have written to you, to the National Assembly, to ask to request you to consider possibility of now giving us authority to disburse 50% of the resources. And to date it has not been done. But secondly, I am also aware the National Assembly, to avoid these vicious cycles of conflict and confusion, had passed a bill in this house, in the National Assembly, but because it affects counties, it's stuck at the Senate. That will also have given us an opportunity to disburse, funds to the counties. That one has not materialized because Senate has not dispersed with it. Our now request for 50% disbursement is still with the National Assembly, and I hope you will give it your considered view so that now we can, because the counties are our counties. The people we are serving are our people. You don't have different.
Abamenyi be county ya Lamu ni gobe murunganiryo bokoreri yobobe ase sector yobocheno bakokwana na balike mangana litukulia lero abamenyi kurwa se county yo ni gobate banga chibesa chige chabege twensemo kurwani burwaire bwa corona nigo cyatumekwa gokora muradi gose kubeka amaje ase county yo na kugikelia e county gosoboteneli we county ya Lamu abwasiba boli e county yo kwene kinga e sector yobocheno kuligereri gwere mono asengecho nige gotoria magima yabantu.
Kutoka we expected to see ICU zikitengenezwa. Tulitarajia tuone mambo muhimu sana ambayo yanafanyika in other counties such that COVID ikiisha Lamu County itaweza kubaki na infrastructure. As we speak now, health infrastructure in Lamu is zero.
Hakika hakuna matayarisho yote tumeona governor ametekeleza preparedness ya COVID-19. Hatujaona ameweka ICU, hatujaona hizo vitanda ambazo tunaambiwa zimetengenezwa, hatuzioni. Lakini kwa TV utaona akisema ako na vitanda 30. Ukida hospitali na haiko mbali, ni hapa Mpeketoni na hapa Lamu King Fahd. Hatuoni hizo vitanda.
Tugotigana nengane yo abarai ao balia barekanire ko koboko report rwa PPI balia bakogana mamicha ye report ya PPI nigo baboliwe gotigana gukwanira engane yo ikaba Kenya basome rubene ikigerikire ase report eyo elikomanyekana niki kire ase report eyo bakokwana nabalikia magana litukolia lero abamenyi amana barai bake kurwase ensemo ya Kitale nigo batebanga wikaboniga siasa chigendereta sense ya Kenya nigo chigwerete gutinira
kubwa sana about mambo ya BBI. Na mimi nataka niwaambie watu wa Trans Nzoia, hii BBI tunaingojea. Nimesikia kuna wengine wanaipinga, wengine wanaisupport. Lakini sisi tunaongojea tuone document. Hatujui ni nini inapingwa na hatujui ni nini inasupportiwa. Na tunaomba amani. Hii mambo ambayo inaendelea kufanyika na wanasiasa wanaongea mambo ya chuki. Sisi kama watu wa Trans Nzoia nikiwa mwenyekiti wenu wa chama.
Company yechindege aiga Kenya Airways nirine sababu yokogoka. Makega yense ya Tanzania wanchire chindege kuiruka kurwa sense ya Kenya guchi ya Tanzania. Abagukwana nabalikia magana ubotenili wense ya Tanzania anene asensemeli chindege TCAA nigo yaikera igetambo kirekyo makega yense ya Kenya. Wanchira chindege kurwa ase ense ya Tanzania gocha sense ya Kenya na barago gotebanga bono obosombi nigo bogochi gokorekana ase chindege chikuru Tanzania gocha sense ya Kenya na kuru Kenya gocha Tanzania. Mwachu mwatekereri nyuma ntara ya kura magana asenchira yuboikire nubunateka semesi to yobalia litukeli gali lero nigo nkogenda eyemo ase eyemo gocha ase studio chitu cha kabere elio tumonyole Videlis Omingo muchoge elio atumanye amange kurwase ebirubo by'ikigosoli na abagosolia.
Miamono oyo minto zada kaso kongarania SMS yebirubo by'ikigosoli amona bagosoli manya ya minto aliagenda togwateka ase ebiti byito imeyense ya Kenya nabo igoisiko ya Kenya Samarieta Videlis Omingo muchogena bokondoka umwana bwabagetutu. Kero toko chakira chigosoli meyense ya Kenya mwancho motekelie kyombekirite nerite okogayana eliomana ase chigosoli meyense ya Kenya kambaya kentabuna sports disputes and tribunal niyo gekirante okona chabuna timu ya Gor Mahia enyarko bagekoira obunyankongo bwa Kenya Premier League omwaka bw'ekirubere na 19 kirubere na 20 engane yanyako bakego pingwa mono bose gokanwa nabo igo gwamererwa amoneke ombekirite nerite enkoyo aiga Kenya FKF ikubwatana moneke ombegi ya Kenya Premier League. Onyero mwancho motekereri ekeombe ya Kenya Premier League na yechete ase ekegambere likwamereria uko goikirano kugoso kona chokubuna timu ya Gor Mahia nyaka bayiko irobo nyankongo ase league ya 2019 na boigo 2020 goikira abo mwancho motekereri nongubutora mangana mayakurwa ase biro by'ikigosoli ekere abachotere na boigo abagosoli benkoyo imense ya Kenya bakanyerete ewizarire derinda chigosoli imense ya Kenya koigora chigosoli benne imeyense ya Kenya goikachinga kichinde seseniwa.
Asante sana Videlis Omingo muchoge asogo tumanya amange igoro yebirubo by'ikigosoli na abagosolia ase MS yito yoboralia litukeriga lero mwanchwa omurigereria we TV ya ATR gwikira agabo no toko yabutorera mangana maya buna ateka aiga SMS yito yoboralia litukeriga lero no tagete konyora mangana maya kire lituko ne merobli yonsi elia tukobaletera gweterega TV ya ATR wasino tagete gose yaya onye go tagete konyore merobli yo asenchira ya bene epato nere saha eri kirenga subscribe nyakune eli nobe omufuasi oito gosoma membo ito ekaro amangana awate kasimesi ito yoboralia nigo okonyanyora eyemo ase eyemo oyolenge magega yechi kamera kohene kinga amangana yaiga ngogocherale asenchira ya bene nigo atigarite koba endini mukaya ise yoboteneri wa Jeremiah Orina Ontiri oyo baretera mangana maya asiri tukerikalia lero amalietane nigo kurwa Zadok Dennis nigo kubaganiria obotegereria obuya amono bulgireria obuya Imeye TV ya AGR miyamano
ayo naro amaya atekire ntogendere kumanyia amange kurwa AGR ekeumbu kyomugusi